Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to download zip file from cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to my cPanel file manager, and I'm going to my public HTML. So I'm going to WP content, themes, and I want to download this theme. So for that, first of all, we need to make it zip or compress. So select the file which you want to download, then click on compress and select compression type, compress file. So here you can see the zip file. Now to download this zip file, select the file and click on download. And here we can see my zip file is started to download. So this is how we can download zip file from cPanel. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.